class physics, electric current, previous public examination questions, discussion of 1 mark and 2 marks questions. Most important topic for coming public examinations of April 2023 for both AP and TS students. Some previous public examination questions and their answers discussion now. What is electric shock came in 2016? So you know electric shock definition. Electric shock is a combined effect of potential difference, electric current and resistance in the human body. Next, what is the reason for tungsten used as filament in the electric bulb? One is it has a high melting point. Two reasons for this one. One is high melting point. Another one is high resistance. High resistance and high melting point. With these two reasons, it is used as a filament in the electric bulb. Melting point is high. Electric resistance is also high for this metal. Next, third question, students. Third question. Observe the graph of potential difference between V and two ends of the conductor. Current I passing through it. Now answer the following questions. So the graph is a given, students, between potential difference and current. Potential difference and current. Like that, graph is a given. Here it is a 5 volts, here it is a 10 volts, 1 ampere, and this is a 2 amperes. So like that, it is in volts and this is in amperes. So now the graph is a given like that, and answer the following questions. Which law is used to explain the graph and state it? First one. Which law is used to explain the graph? State it. And question number B. What is the resistance of the conductor? What is the resistance of the conductor? What is the resistance of the conductor? So these two questions we want to answer from this graph. So you know here a potential difference and here I. Here it is a V volt potential difference and here it is I current in amperes. So it is in given amperes, it is in volts. So you know potential difference and current relation explained by Ohm's law. So answer for first question is this. Ohm's law is used. Ohm's law is used. Now statement of Ohm's law. At constant temperature, you know at constant temperature potential difference is directly proportional to strength of the current. This is the statement. Question number B. What is the resistance in the conductor? So now here higher potential difference and higher current. So V value is 10 volts, I value is 2 amperes. Maximum values we are taking. You know from Ohm's law V is equals to IR, then R is equals to, we want to calculate resistance because resistance what is? So R is equals to V by I. V value 10 and I value is 2 amperes. So this is a 5 ohms. 5 ohms. This is a answer for that. So which came in 2017, students. Now what about 2 marks questions? 2 marks questions which came in previous public examinations. Two marks questions. We can save household wiring and devices by using fuses. First question, which came in 2017 March. So by using fuses, we can save household wiring devices by using fuses. Write any 4 points by appreciating the role of fuses. For 2 marks student, this is, so you know, by using a fuse or fuse wires, so we can save, we can protect household wiring and devices. So write about any 4 points about appreciating the appreciation of role of fuse. So you know, a fuse, generally characteristic properties of a wire to be used as a fuse. The fuse must be very thin. Fuse must be very thin, and it should have lower melting point. When current entering houses is more than 20 amperes. That is, when current entering household circuit or household wiring is more than or greater than 20 amperes, then fuse wire breaks by melting. This stops the current flow into household wiring, so that the household wiring and various devices can be protected from the damage caused by overloading of current more than 20 amperes. So we appreciate the role of fuse in protecting household wiring and devices in our houses. That is enough. Important one. So fuse wire must be very thin. It should have a lower melting point. So when current entering our houses is more than 20 amperes, then fuse wire breaks by melting. This stops current flow into our houses. Thereby, the higher voltage of current, from higher voltage of current, house wiring will be protected, and various electrical appliances present in our houses will be protected from the damage caused by overloading. This is. So one more question. Find the quantity of current in the following circuit came in 2017 March. So like that circuit is given. And the potential difference of the battery is 1.5 volts, and ammeter is also there. And resistances are given 3 ohms, 5 ohms and 2 ohms. Now what we want to calculate from the question, find the quantity of current. I is equals to, this is potential difference of the cell is given, V is 1.5. Now resistance R is equals, all these are in series. So total resistance is, so 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, that is 10 ohms. So now from Ohm's law, V is equals to IR, then R is equals to V by I. That is V value 1.5, and this is or not, we want to calculate I. We want to calculate I. So I is equals to V by R. So then V value is 1.5, R value is 10. Then this will be equal to 0.15 amperes. This is for 2 marks came in 2007. 17 March students. Next question came in 2015 June. 2015 June. 2015 June. A wire of length. Third question 2015 June. A wire of length 1 meter. A wire of length 1 meter. L is a given 1 meter. And radius is a given. And radius R is a given. 0.1 nanometer. 0.1 nanometer. And resistance of the wire is a given. Capital R is 100 ohms. So we want to find resistivity of the material. So we want to find resistivity of the material. So resistivity is denoted by the letter rho. So we have a formula R is equals to rho L by A. So from this rho into L is equals to RA, then rho is equals to RA by L. But R value is there, L value is there, but A value is not there. We want to find a cross sectional area. So cross sectional area, but here it is a nanometer, we want to change into meters. 1 nanometer equal to 10 power minus 9 meters. 1 nanometer is equals to 10 power minus 9 meters. So which is equal 0.1 means we can write as 1 by 10 into 10 power minus 9 meters. 1 by 10 means 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 9 meter. So radius equal to 10 power minus 10 meters. Now we want to calculate area equal to formula pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7. R value is 10 power minus 10. R square means whole square. So 22 by 7 means 3.14, 10 power minus 20 square meter. This is area. Now substitute all these values in this one. R value is 100. A value is 3.14 into 10 power minus 20. L value is 1. So this is 100 means we can write as a 10 square into 3.14 into 10 power minus 20. 10 square 10 power minus 20 means, so 10 power minus 18 ohm meter. So this is answer for this one. Important question. Sometimes just 0.1 millimeter like that ask. Millimeters అని కూడా అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు. ఇక్కడ నానోమీటర్స్ అని అడిగాడు. నెక్స్ట్ 7th question. So came in public examination. What do you mean by electric shock? How it takes place? March 2015. Malad. What do you mean by electric shock? How it takes place? Explain. So how it takes place? Explain అనేటువంటి question electric shock సంబంధించి. Is there any improved learning question answers? So in our study materials, so in the textbook also there you can learn it. That's all. 1 mark and 2 marks questions from electric current which came in previous public examinations. In another video we can discuss 4 marks previous public examination questions from electric current chapter. So follow the channel. So for physics of polytechnic diploma, poly set, APRG set along with chemistry, so and other intermediate and 10th class students. That's all today's.